Stepping through the morning where the fortress meets the sky. Palamidi breathing stories every time I close my eyes. Rooftops of a Nafplio glowing softly down below. And every wind that touches me reminds me where to go. Shadows fall behind me as I climb the ancient way. Sunlight turning yesterday to gold along the bay. The sea is opening wide beneath my feet, calling my heart into the rising heat. Spanosто Palamidi, λάμπεις μέσα μου βαθιά. Nafplio, άνεμε ελπίδας, δώσε ανάσα στη ψυχή μου ξανά. Whispers in the stairways echo softly through the stone. Steps that carried centuries now guide me as their own. Every breath is brighter as the sunlight fills the air. Every moment lifted like a prayer held somewhere. Memories like shorelines pulling gently at my mind, leading me to places I believed I'd left behind. The coastline sings like something meant for me, a quiet vow beneath the endless sea. Φως πάνω στο Παλαμίδι, φέρε φλόγα στη ζωή. Nafplio, καρδιά του ήλιου, φως στο σώμα, στην ψυχή. Let the morning take me higher, let the stones remember me. Every heartbeat rising like a fire, every breath a melody. Φως πάνω στο Παλαμίδι, δώσε δύναμη στη γη. Nafplio, άνεμε ελπίδας, φως που μένει στη ψυχή.